What if I say there's an easy way to remove video background without using a green screen effect, red screen effect, blue screen effect, or even using chroma key? Well then, don't skip the video and I will tell you how. Want to make your editing a lot easier, very simple, nothing complex, I would recommend Filmora. It is a very good video editing software. This is where you can make your imagination go live within one click. So we are going to take this step by step, okay? Very easy, just like content. Alright, so first what we need to do, for example, I'm gonna go into sample videos. After going to sample video, I'm gonna pull this down to our timeline right here. Alright, so after pulling that video down to our timeline, we're gonna go to effect, and you could go to AI portrait right here. Look for this, pull this down to our video, and there you go. Let's click on play. Was that one step? Was that two step? This is easy. You can do so much more. Let's go into stock media and put in, let's see, beach. I don't know. I love the beach. Yes, I do. So we're gonna select a beautiful background right there and drag that to our timeline. Pull this down. After dragging it to our timeline, let's go ahead and put that beach footage below the original video that we have. So let's go ahead and adjust our footage right there. And there you have it. That's how you remove a video background without using a green screen effect. So if you guys need me to go in more further details, let me know. I will do an advanced one with this coming up this weekend. There will be a new video coming out this weekend and what more you can do with Filmora. I'll be uploading video every weekend and video tutorial with Filmora.